In this video, I want to see whether it makes a difference to use regular paint or spray paint when applying chalkboard paint. I'm using this Rust-oleum chalkboard paint and this Krylon spray chalkboard paint. For the side-by-side comparison, I have multiple coats of the chalkboard paint. On this side, I use a foam roller. On this side, I use the spray can. And by conditioning the chalk, rubbing it over it, we can see the texture is rather rough on the foam roller side. And a foam roller is the smoothest roller application you can do. And over here we have a few high spots on the spray side, but it is overall smoother. You got a lot less texture over here. Now you can smooth out chalkboard paint with some light sanding, and it'll get rid of a lot of these ridges. When it comes to durability, there are a lot of scratches on this spray can side and not many on the roller side, leading me to feel like the roller, or the actual paint can, is more durable than a spray can. Lastly, I'll just go ahead and do a writing test. And an erasing test. And so what I'm noticing right off is I'm seeing a lot of scratches from the writing that I made, so the spray can is definitely not nearly as durable as the paint can. I'm going to go ahead and do some light sanding on the roller side with 220 grit on this orbital sander. As we can see from these two different writing samples, even after the sanding, the roller is still not as smooth as the spray. I actually liked both of these products for different reasons. For the paint in the can, you have the most durable surface. For the spray paint, you have the easiest application as well as a smooth application. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.